It was the story in Alabama for 2010. It was the BP oil spill, and even though 18 months have passed, time seemingly stands still for those affected in trying to recuperate their losses.
I think it was very difficult. I think the remainder of the year 2010 was extremely difficult economically. Getting into 2011, when the season hit on the Gulf Coast, it was really much better.
We've been very unhappy with the progress of Mr. Feinberg's claims system. So we put a lot of pressure on him. We've met with the Justice Department. There's an audit upcoming, which will, I think, show some of the shortcomings. But there's always time for him to make it right and to pay people promptly.
At Samford University's Cumberland School of Law, there's discussion of the claims process in this monumental case.
This is the largest environmental disaster in the history of our country, and the implications for the justice system are profound. So that's why we're put this panel together to talk about those issues.
One person on the expert panel is Alabama Attorney General Luther Strange. He's the lead attorney for all states filing claims against BP.
This is a great opportunity to talk to law students who will someday be out representing clients about the biggest environmental disaster in the nation's history. It unfortunately affected our coast, but we have a lot of Alabama lawyers working on it. It's a top priority of the Office of Attorney General, and so this is a great opportunity to update them on what's going on.
Now, BP has set aside a $20 billion trust to help pay on individual, business, and government claims. As lawyers and future lawyers learned here today, paying attention to detail in that process is key.
If you have the right documents, you can breeze through the claim. And that's half the battle that we have at the GCCF, is getting the right documents. And it's been the most aggravating for the claimants, actually, because they don't know exactly what to provide.
Ongoing, moving towards an initial trial date of February 27, 2012, and so it's got a lot of moving parts, different phases, different aspects to it, so you know, there's a lot of work being done.
Brad Radisi, Samford University.